Welcome back to Campbell Kitchen, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make restaurant quality avocado toast. Stick around. Okay guys, so let's get into it. Avocado toast. Why do I love avocado toast? It is such a quick snack. You see it everywhere. It's ubiquitous with restaurants and cafes, and it's really easy to make on your own. You don't need to be paying $10, $12, $14. I'm going to show you a couple tips and tricks to elevate your avocado toast at home. So the first trick that I like to do with avocado toast is to make sure you buy bread that is really high quality, okay? Today I'm using super healthy Ezekiel bread. It doesn't taste that good, I'm not gonna lie, but it's super healthy, and I like to make avocado toast with that because it makes me just feel good, it gives me good energy, good protein, all that stuff. But make sure you guys buy the bread that you like. If you can get some fresh bread, make sure you buy that. The fresher the bread, the better, and you're gonna wanna toast it. It's very important to toast your avocado toast. That toasted bread is gonna add crunch and is gonna make all the difference in your avocado toast. You do not want a soft, soggy bread. That does not taste good. You want that crunchy texture of the bread and that nutty kind of toasted flavor as well. So toast your bread really well. Tip number 2, seasoning. You really need to season your toast, okay? You're generally not gonna be pouring on a bunch of fatty meats and cured meats and things like that. It's really gonna be like fresh vegetables and your avocado with your lemon. So make sure you season. I like to season with pickles, fresh vegetables, lemon juice, vinegars, things of that nature. Plenty of salt, plenty of pepper. You can add different spices, but you wanna layer your seasoning and you wanna make sure you're seasoning throughout. Make sure everything has acid, everything has salt. Number 3, keep it healthy. I mean, this is a healthy snack and this is completely optional, but I like adding like blanched vegetables or shaved vegetables or some nice little microgreens, which I'm gonna be doing today. And that just makes it so much more enjoyable because it doesn't taste healthy. It tastes just really fresh and acidic and salty. It's really good. So those are my few things that I like to stick by when I make avocado toast. And when you go out to most restaurants, that's usually what they do. They usually make sure things are seasoned. They have that crusty bread. They have nice herbs on them. You have those small cut chives. So check it out and let me know what you guys think.
Okay, first step, chop some chives. I just use a really sharp knife, chop them as fine as possible. There's no trick to this. Once you're done chopping them, put them in a container, put them in the fridge until you're ready to use them. Now I'm going to shave some radishes. This offers really good crunch and a little bit of mustard flavor. Really mild, but delicious. I shave them thin on the mandolin. I stack them together and I slice really thin with a knife to get small little matchsticks. I then soak them in water to keep them nice and crisp and wait until I'm ready to use them. Now I'm going to pickle some shallots. This is a really easy pickling method. I just peel the shallots, slice them really thin on the mandolin. I pour some boiling hot water over the shallots. I let it cool to room temp. That kind of softens them up and gets rid of that harsh oniony flavor. I drain that water, and then I'm going to just cover it with any kind of vinegar that you want. If you use red wine vinegar, they're going to turn out really red. I used some bittersweet vinegar, so they turned out kind of like dark brownish, but it's okay. The flavor was really, really good. Make sure you add a pinch of salt to that vinegar, let them marinate, and they're good to go. Now it's time to make the avocado puree. Now my favorite way to do this is just lemon juice and salt. You need a good balance between the two. The avocado is really fatty, it works really well with a lot of lemon, and it definitely needs to be well seasoned. I also like to smash it up really, really fine. Sometimes you see chunks. I just don't like that for the avocado toast. I like it to be really, really smooth. So I scoop it out with a spoon and I use a whisk, and I'm just gonna smash it up and just kind of mix it until it's really smooth. Now for the bread, like I said, I'm using Ezekiel. Doesn't taste good, but super healthy. I would use some really just hearty, crusty, like freshly baked artisan bread. That'd be my first choice if I wasn't trying to be so healthy. Anyways, so then you toast your bread in the oven. You can do 350 for like 5 to 10 minutes, or you can do it under the broiler. Just make sure you broil both sides. Once it's nice and crispy, put it on a plate. Now we're gonna layer all of our flavors together. So we're gonna add that avocado puree. Now I have some beautiful microgreens. This is a mix of different herbs. You can get it at the grocery store, it's like $5. It's nice and healthy and fresh. Layer on your microgreens. Now we're gonna layer on our radishes. That's gonna offer a nice crunch and it looks really beautiful. Now we're gonna add on our pickled shallots. They add a nice mild onion flavor while adding good acidity. Really delicious. Now we're just gonna cover it with those chives. I like to do the chives at the end so you can see them, but you can also do them at the beginning. Cover them with chives, and then we're just going to finish with a little more seasoning to make sure everything tastes good. Squeeze nice fresh lemon juice over the top, freshly cracked pepper. We're going to make sure that we hit it with our finishing salt. I use Malden. It's larger salt. It tastes a little better. It's better for finishing. And that is your finished toast. It is an easy snack. Don't pay $14 for an avocado toast. Make it at home.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you leave a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite avocado toast that you've eaten was. And stay tuned for more videos coming soon in the future. Thanks for watching.